एंड वेलकम बैक टू एमएचए इनसाइट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एपिडेमियोलॉजिकल ट्रायड। टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई डिजीजेस अकर एंड हाउ दे स्प्रेड, हम एक सिंपल मॉडल यूज करते हैं विच इज एपिडेमियोलॉजिकल ट्रायड, विच इंक्लूड्स एजेंट, होस्ट एंड एनवायरनमेंट। द एपिडेमियोलॉजिकल ट्रायड इज अ बेसिक पब्लिक हेल्थ मॉडल जो एक्सप्लेन करता है व्हाई एंड हाउ डिजीजेस अकर। इस मॉडल के अकॉर्डिंग डिजीज सिंगल फैक्टर की वजह से नहीं होती, बट ड्यू टू द इंटरैक्शन बिटवीन agent, host, and environment. Understanding this triad helps us identify risk factors, plan preventive strategies, and design effective public health interventions. इस डायग्राम में क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि एजेंट, होस्ट एंड एनवायरनमेंट एक ट्रायंगल की फॉर्म में कनेक्टेड हैं। अगर इन तीनों कंपोनेंट्स में से किसी एक में भी चेंज आता है तो डिजीज अकरेंस भी अफेक्ट होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एजेंट। An agent is any factor whose presence, absence or access disease के occurrence के लिए essential होता है। Now the different types of agents. Biological agents such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, infectious diseases cause करते हैं। For example, TB, COVID-19 and HIV. Chemical agents includes pesticides, toxins and heavy metals like lead and mercury. फिजिकल एजेंट्स जैसे रेडिएशन, हीट, कोल्ड, नॉइस एंड ट्रॉमा भी डिजीज ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं। एंड न्यूट्रिशनल एजेंट्स इन्वॉल्व डेफिशिएंसी और एक्सेस, जैसे आयरन डेफिशिएंसी और ओबेसिटी ड्यू टू ओवर न्यूट्रिशन। एजेंट के कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज डिजीज ट्रांसमिशन को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है। For example, infectivity, which refers to the ability to enter, survive, and multiply in the host. Pathogenicity means the ability to cause disease, and virulence refers to the severity of disease produced. Along with this, dose, duration of exposure, and mode of transmission, airborne, foodborne, or vectorborne are also important. Now, the second component of triad is host. Host वो human या animal होता है which harbors the disease. होस्ट की सब्सेप्टिबिलिटी को मल्टीपल फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं। एज इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर। चिल्ड्रन आर मोर प्रोन टू इन्फेक्शंस, whereas elderly individuals usually develop chronic diseases. Sex also plays a role because some diseases are gender specific. Genetic factors like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia disease risk को increase करते हैं। Immunity status of host is very important. It can be natural immunity or acquired immunity through vaccination. Nutritional status directly affects immunity, and nutrition leads to lower resistance to infections. Lifestyle factors like smoking, alcohol consumption, and physical inactivity further increases disease risk. Occupation decides the level of exposure. For example, healthcare workers and factory workers face higher occupational risks. Similarly, behavior and habits such as poor hand hygiene and unsafe sexual practices increase disease transmission. Now, some important host-related risk factors, which includes poor immunity, chronic illness like diabetes and HIV, psychological stress, poor personal hygiene, and non-compliance with the treatment or vaccination. Now, the third component of epidemiological triad is environment. Environment includes all external conditions जो agent-host interaction को affect करती हैं। Environmental factors को broadly 3 categories में divide किया जाता है। Physical environment includes climate, housing conditions, and water supply. Social environment, which includes overcrowding, poverty, education level, cultural practices, and social beliefs. And biological environment includes vectors like mosquitoes, flies, and animals responsible for zoonotic diseases. Now, the major environmental related risk factors हैं poor sanitation, unsafe drinking water, overcrowded living conditions, lack of healthcare access, improper waste disposal, and climate change. Interaction of the triad. Disease तभी occur होती है when a susceptible host comes in contact with a sufficient agent under favorable environmental conditions. If we control any one component of the triad, disease occurrence can be prevented. Application in disease prevention. The epidemiological triad plays an important role in disease prevention. Agent control includes sterilization, pasteurization, antibiotics, and vaccination. Host control includes immunization, health education, nutritional improvement, and lifestyle modification. And the environmental control focuses on safe water supply, sanitation, vector control, housing improvement, and pollution control. Let's understand the triad with a practical example of malaria. Here the agent is Plasmodium parasite, the host is a human with low immunity, and the environment includes stagnant water, mosquitoes, and tropical climate. Malaria occurs when the agent, host, and environment interact simultaneously. Breaking even one link of the triad can prevent malaria transmission. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand the concept better, please like, share, and subscribe to MHA Insights. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in the next video. Bye.